Hi, I'm Joris, founder of Maya, and I'll be showing you a few of the key features of our product. This is the full screen version of Maya. On the left-hand side, you can have a conversation. For example, you can say you're looking for a trip, after which Maya will start asking you some questions proactively. So first of all, here she's asking whether I have a specific region or country in mind. Let's say I want to go to Canada with a camper. And while you can now still see on the right-hand side that there's a mix of featured trips, in this case, Iceland, Canada, Norway, once I start talking about a given destination or some preferences, these recommendations will be updated. So you can see now you immediately see some of the trips that they offer to Canada with a camper. These are both individual and group trips. For them, the individual trips are all custom built, while the group trips have fixed dates and they have availability. So you can see in this case that the departure date, 6th of September, still has some slots available. So this is fetched in real time. Continuing the conversation, Maya is asking what dates we want to go. Let's say July. And then you can see that this trip in September isn't available in July. So this won't be shown anymore after this recommended trip update. Then let's say we want to do individual trip. This is a typo, which is fine. You can see Maya can interpret that correctly. Anything else? Let's say we want to go to Western Canada. Then again, this will be updated correctly. In this case, our client wants to talk to the traveler as soon as possible. So Maya is proactively asking if the user wants to share their details. I'll do that here. So now me as a traveler, I'll get an email and the client will get an email as well, so they can follow up immediately. Of course, you can also continue the conversation, or you can actually also ask any question. And then Maya will answer this question based on all the knowledge of the client, in this case, from the website or from any other knowledge base. So let's say, let's keep talking about Canada. For example, when can I see the Northern Lights in Canada? Now Maya is fetching the relevant content and using that to formulate an answer. She's also linking to the source for this. So you can, as a user, continue reading. You can also click on this trip and you can book that trip from the website directly. Typically, Maya is integrated within the website of our clients. And typically, this means that also the header and the header menu is retained, just like here. This is another client where you can see Maya is well integrated with an adjusted design, etc. This is a Dutch language page, and Maya here is shown as a popover. So you can click that, you can start a conversation, and you can ask any question about this specific page or this specific trip or about anything else. So let's say here you can see there's a long itinerary with all information on all the stops. So now in Dutch, I'm just asking what waterfalls will we see? And Maya knows it's about this specific page, and it will formulate an answer about the different waterfalls we'll see. You can then still go back to the full page view, continue the conversation there. If you want, for example, you want a recommendation for some other trip in Iceland in this case. These were the main features that we have at the moment. Of course, we have custom add-ons as well. So whatever needs you have, I'm always keen to hear about those. And we can talk about how Maya could add value to your business. Thank you.